What's he eating? I didn't even know he was there. I wanted to get these pretty flowers, and there's Mr. Raven.
It's a crow.
It's a crow?
I think so.
It's not a raven, it's big. What is in... His beak is really big.
Must be bugs in that little hole in the wood. There's probably bugs in there. Oh, look at that one flying with a stick in his mouth.
Oh, yeah. Hi, Mr. Raven. Or are you sure it's not a crow? You think it's a crow, huh?
I think it's a crow, but I could be wrong. Small raven, it is.
These flowers are so pretty. Where's he going?
Little starfish flowers.
I wonder what they're called. That's a neat tree, and that's an oak.
Yeah, an old oak tree.
Wow.
And
Beautiful.
tie a yellow ribbon around it.
There he goes. He's looking at me. Bye. Bye, boy.